Dear children, today's class is the Animal Kingdom. The lesson name is first lesson Animal Kingdom in EVS. Okay. So you know the animals. Animal Kingdom means the kingdom of animals. So you all see the various types of animals in your surrounding. Is it right? See, do you know the human beings? The differences between the human beings. Human beings means we are the human beings. Is it right? So the man are the human beings. So differences between the human beings and the other birds, or it may be the other animals. So here you have to fill page number 1. So the differences between the animals and yourself. Okay children, you have to write in your pencil the differences between the animals and human beings. I means here refers to the human beings. You know the simple differences. Is it right? So the human beings have walked from one place to another place, like the animals also walk from one place to another place. But the human beings, they will talking, walking, reading, writing. Is it right? Say some means the human beings do some jobs. Is it right? Works. What about the other animals like cow and other dogs? So dog also walk from one place to another place, but it cannot be talk. Is it right? It will be barking. So you have to write the differences by yourself. Page number 2. The differences that you have observed in the table given below. Here is a table. You have to fill using your pencil. So I will explain some of the differences between the human beings and the cow. You have to write other also. You have to write using your pencil. So the human beings have how many legs? 2 legs. Whereas the cow having 4 legs. So usually the human beings wear clothes. Is it right? So whereas the cow, say, what is the answer? Did not wear any clothes. See, human beings having hairs on their head. Whereas the cow, there is no hairs on the cow. Usually the human beings read, write, walk and doing some of the jobs, some of the works. What about the work of the cow? Cow gives us milk. Is it right? Cow gives us milk. Human beings eat some cooked vegetables or food. Human beings use eating cooked food. Whereas the cow eating, what is the food for the cow? Grass, leaves, water. Is it right? So these are some of the differences between human beings and cow. You have to write more differences for the human beings and cow in this table. Okay. Table first here. It is in the page number 2. You have to fill the table. Next, here is a small girl. Her name is Vanaja. So in your textbook, she had made a list of animals. She has to confusion to fill the other things, that is size, color, food and dwelling. See, she notes some animals. So the animals are cow, fish, crane, butterfly, monkey, lizard or garden lizard, rabbit, grasshopper, tortoise, bat. So she lists some of the animals in the table. So she has confusion to fill other things like size, color, food and dwelling. See children, what are the food for these animals? Or first we have to write the size of the animals. You know, the cow is in big or small in size? Cow is big in size. What about fish? You know fish? Fish is in small in size. So and crane, small in size. Butterfly, small in size. The size of the butterfly is small, monkey, big, lizard, no house there, lizard or the garden lizard, so it is in small size. Rabbit, small size. Grasshopper, small size. Tortoise, small size, or it may be big. Okay children, tortoise it may be small or it may be big in size. And bat, it is also in small size. So these are the sizes of the animals. Next we have to discuss about color of the animals. So you know the cow color, it may be white, brown, or it may be black in color. Black or white in color, or it may be brown also. The color of the fish is various colors of fish you have to see in your aquarium, or it may be in sea or other way. Okay children, so I will write some colors, colorfuls. Okay, colors are available, it may be black or white or colors, whatever it may be. Okay, crane usually is in which color? You see crane, that is in white color. Usually crane is in white color. So butterfly, it is also colorful. Okay, colorful, and write colorful, or you can write the color red, pink, blue, black, white. Okay children. Next, monkey, usually it is in which color? It may be red or it may be black in color. So lizard also, it may be white or black, or it may be greenish, or it may be other brownish color. Okay children, some of the lizards you have seen in the garden, it may be green or brown in color. So rabbit usually white in color. The color of the rabbit is white. Whereas grasshopper, grasshopper usually it is in green color. Color of the grasshopper is green. Tortoise, black or brown. See children, some of the tortoise are green in color, brown in color. Okay children, so I will write black or brown. Okay, so bat usually black color. So black color. So let us discuss about the food of these animals. Food. So what is the food for a cow? Grass or green leaves. Grass or leaves. Food for fishes, it eats some worms or some insects in the water. Next is crane. Crane also eat worms. Worms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹುಳುಗಳು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹುಳುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಹುಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಣ್ಣಗಿರುವಂತ ಈ ಕ್ರೇನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸಣ್ಣ ಫಿಶ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಫುಡ್? ಸೊ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ, the food of the butterfly is honey. It get honey from the flowers. It suck the honey from the flowers. Monkey food is fruits and others. Okay, etc. So next, lizard usually eats some small worms and also insects. So lizard eats some ant, okay, flies. It eats some small insects and also worms. So there are food of rabbit is grass and small grains. Okay children, rabbit. So the rabbit eat some carrot and some of the vegetables also eat. Grasshopper usually eat grass and worms, and also small worms they eat. Tortoise eat worms and some grains and small amount of grass. Next, bat eat worms. So these you have to fill in your textbook. See in next column, do dwelling. What's the meaning of dwelling, children? Dwelling means the home for the animals, where the animals kept. So we are living home. House is, home. Human beings are living home. So like that, these animals also live in some of the places. The home for the animals is called as place. That is dwelling. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ dwelling. The home for the animals. The places for the animals where the animals live. Okay children? So the cow usually live in means ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ shed. Fish live in water. Next, the crane usually live in where? The plants or trees. Butterfly, plant. Monkey, the place for the monkey, home for the monkey is tree. Next, lizard. So lizards usually live in plant. Rabbit, so it is in forest. Next, grasshopper, it is lived in agricultural field or it may be the plant. Agricultural field or plant. And next, tortoise live in water. Bat lives in the plant or tree. So these are the dwelling or the places where the animals we have kept or the home for the animals. Cow, shed. Fish, water. Crane, trees. Butterfly, plant. Monkey, tree. Lizard, plant. Rabbit, for the lizard, the house lizard also live in the house also. So rabbit live in forest and so some are kept in cages. They have to grow in the home. Next, tortoise live in water and bat live in trees. So these are you have to fill in your pencil using your sharpened pencil. There is a fill in the blanks in the page number 2. A few animals like fish in water. Few animals fish usually fish live in water. Monkeys, birds and insects live on trees. Many animals like cow and horse live on land. Not only the cow and horse, you have to write other also in your textbook. So next concept is the animals, different animals eat different kinds of food. Different animals eat different kinds of food. We have to discuss about the different animals eat different kinds of food. First one in that one, animals which eat plant products or products of plants. Products of plants. Such animals are called as herbivorous. Herbivores. See children, animals which eat products of plants means ಯಾವ animals bari plant products na ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೋ. So it may be fruits, vegetables or it may be leaves. Okay children, from the products from the plants. The animals which eat the products of plants are called as herbivorous. Spelling of herbivorous Herbivorous. Herbivorous. Example. It may be cow, goat, deer, etc. So these animals which eat only the plant products. Okay. So these animals are called as herbivorous. Whereas the animals which eat which eat flesh of animals, flesh and egg and other products of animals and other products of animals are called as carnivorous. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, carnivorous. See, animals which eat flesh, egg and other products of animals are called as carnivorous. Flesh means meat of the animals, you know, egg. So the animals which eat flesh or egg and other products of animals are called as carnivorous. Example for carnivorous is, you know, lion eat only the flesh of other animals. Lion, tiger, fox, etc. These animals are called as carnivorous. Here some animals which eat both the products of animals and plants. Which eat the products of both plants and animals. Both plants and animals are called as omnivorous. And animals are called as omnivorous. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Example for omnivorous are dog. See children, dog it may be eat the cooked food, raw vegetables, and also the dog eat flesh of other small animals. Cat also eat other animals and also the plant products. So that's why dog, cat are called as omnivorous. See children, animals which eat products of plants. Animals which eat products of plants are called as herbivorous. Example, cow, goat, deer, etc. Whereas animals which eat flesh, egg and other products of animals are called as carnivorous. Example, lion, tiger, fox, etc. Animals which eat products of both plants and animals are called as omnivorous. Example, dog, cat, etc. These are the animals which eat different kinds of food. First one is herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Next, here is one question. Which animal is the milk used in your house got from? Means you all use milk, no? So which animal gives us milk? So which animal gives us milk for drinking? Is it right, drinking milk, coffee, tea or whatever it may be, or the milk products? So made for the food also. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Next one question. Make a list of food items used in your house. Draw a circle around the food items obtained from the animals. You have to write the things you have to use as a food product and circle the things if you get from the animals, the plant animal products. So first one is milk. Write in your pencil: milk, curd, ghee, butter, egg, wheat, corn, gram, dal, groundnut. I will write some of the food items. So like that you have to write in your own food items in this column. Okay, circle the food items that is obtained from the animals. So I will write the two products directly obtained from the animal, that is milk and egg. I will repeat it once again: milk, curd, ghee, butter, egg, wheat, corn, dal, gram, groundnut. You have to circle milk and egg. So milk and egg is directly obtained from the animals. So it is an animal product. Whereas the others, it is a byproduct of the milk, that is curd and ghee is the byproduct. The next product, ಹಾಲಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. So wheat, corn, gram, dal, groundnut are the plant products. So next column, write 5 uses of animals. Write in your pencil. So what are the uses of animals? So usually the animals like ox is used in plowing the field, plowing the agricultural field. So cow gives us milk, and some of the animals we eat as a flesh. It is also one of the food for the other animals. And some animals gives us wool. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. And some of the animals is used as a like that horse. What is that? We use as a for traveling purposes. That is jataka gadi anta heltira. So that is horse carriage. So it is one of the use from the horse. So and also some of the animals gives us other products like from their hairs. So that is wool. So dog, dog. What is the work for the dog? Dog. So it guards our house. It is also one of the use of the animals. See from the picture given in the fourth page. You have to write yourself uses of means the animals uses. Write these animals in space provided in the picture. So there is a space given above the picture. You have to fill in your pencil. So parrot, what is the uses of the parrot? Parrot use some of the that is the fruits, that is the rotten fruits. So it helps the next reproduction. Next classes you learn that reproduction. So next, honey. What is the use of honey? It gives what? Honey. So it gives nectar, that is called as being collected as a honey. Honey bee gives us honey. So and hogs here. So it is used in the agricultural field for plowing the field. Next, cow gives us milk. Here, horse is there. It is used as a horse carriage, that is jataka gadi. So next, fish. What is the use of fish? So fish cleans the water. Okay, children? Fish cleans the water. Next, sheep gives us wool. And the dog guards our house. These are the uses. So you have to fill. Next. So here is one question. Do you rear animals in your house? How do you look after them? So in case you have to rear, means ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿನ ಸಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಓನಾಗಿ 2 ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Next, let us discuss about match the following from page number 6. Animals and their uses. See, you have to using your scale. You have to fill with your scale. Okay, you have to draw the scale using scale and pencil only. Okay, children. Ox. What is the use of ox? Ox is used for plowing the field, plowing the agricultural field. Next, buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk. Sheep. What is the use for sheep? What is the use from the sheep? Sheep gives us wool. So wool means so from the wool we get sweater, gloves, muffler, shawls. Okay, children. Next, hen. Hen gives us egg. Horse. What is the use of horse? Horse carriage. That is jataka. Honey bee gives us honey. Fish. So fish eating insects in water and keeping the water clean. Means it cleans the water and it will be eat some insects in the water. Eagle. Eagle eating dead animals and keeping the environment clean. Eagle only eat the dead animals and keep the environment clean. Here is one activity. You have to do it yourself. That is make making a mask or making a face mask. Here some of the tips they are given. Making a mask of animal, that is elephant, an elephant. You have to cut some sheets. They are given the instructions in the page number 7. Okay children, you have to cut other animals also by yourself. Next here is who am I? It is a riddle for that. So listen carefully and write in pencils. Okay. I have colorful feathers. I am the village clock. I have colorful feathers. I am the village clock. So that is the animal hen. Hen is also called as village clock. Second one, I am big with a large belly. Belly means stomach. I have tails both at the front and at the back. Back there is a tails, but front there is a trunk. Okay. So which animal? Elephant. Third one is I have a very smart body, long ears and small beakers. I hop swiftly. That is grasshopper. Fourth one, I climb the top of the tree where no one can climb. I eat fruits. What is the answer for that? Squirrel. Next, fifth one, I am the ant of the tiger. I eat rats. You know what is the answer for this? Cat. Okay. So similarly, cat is like a tiger. Okay. So it is an ant of the tiger. It eats rats. Answer is cat. See children, the last concept of this lesson is, do you know this? Okay. In this one, so you know which animal is known as national animal of India? You know the answer? Answer is tiger. Nowadays, the number of tigers is decreasing. The project of project of government from India is preserve tigers because it is an endangered animal. So we have to protect the tiger. Tiger is a national animal of India. The number of usually in our surroundings in the animal kingdom, usually the insect is very large in number. Children, when compared to the other animals, the number of insects is very large in the animal kingdom. Cheetah runs at 100 kilometers per hour. Cheetah, you know cheetah? Cheetah runs about at 100 kilometers per hour. The blue whale, you know. So the blue whale is the biggest animal in the animal kingdom. Blue whale is the biggest animal in the animal kingdom. So it is about 33 meters long. Some animals like chameleon and leaf insects change their colors to suit their environment. You know chameleon ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮುಸುರುವಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So it changes the color when it adjusts to their surroundings. So when it live on land, so the color of the chameleon is brown color. So it live on leaves and other flowers, it colors changes to greens or another color of the flower. So why it will be changes? To protect from the enemies. So that's why the chameleon and other leaf insects change their colors. So here is some hard words. See children, human beings, H-U-M-A-N, human, B-E-I-N-G-S, beings, herbivorous, H-E-R-B-I-V-O-R-E-S, herbivorous, C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, carnivorous, O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, omnivorous, D-W-E-L-L-I-N-G, dwelling, C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N, chameleon, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains, I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects, W-O-R-M-S, worms, P-L-O-U-G-H-I-N-G, flowing. So this is about animal kingdom. So the differences between animals and human beings, and next the animals which eat means it will be depend upon the other animals and the plant products, means the animals which eat different kinds of food. So we have to learn the concept like herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So you have to fill all the textbook fillings and classworks I will send through WhatsApp. If you have doubt, text me in the WhatsApp channel. Okay? Thank you children.